TMR Developers Private Limited presents TMR Blossoms, premium villas at North Bangalore, Yelahanka. The ground floor of the villa has a living area for guests, office room and servant room. The first floor of the villa comprises of living, dining, a spacious kitchen, and parents' bedroom. The second floor of the villa comprises of a lounge area with the puja room, master bedroom, and children bedroom. The third floor of the villa has a gym, a bar counter and a home theatre for all your leisure activities. A luxuriously indulgent leisure club designed on par with the best clubs internationally. Pro offers a slew of activities for relaxation and fun. Enjoy absolute pampering by an unbeatable global lifestyle service which includes swimming pool, restaurant, indoor games, gym, multi-purpose hall, supermarket, jogging track, children's play area and round-the-clock security.